Hey everybody, what's up? Chris Young, Gander, RV and Outdoors. No, I am not sitting on Nana's couch with the plastic covers. I am actually seated inside of a 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 28 FE that is so new, the plastic was still on the seats, which is why I kind of want to start up here in the cab so you can kind of see these plush cloth seats. Great dashboard, touchscreen. You got plenty of spaces for bottles of water storage. Deep well glove box there as well. But the thing that I like about Class C motorhomes, if you do not have a vehicle that you could tow a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, and you want to get out and about and you want to just take the family places, you don't want to pay for hotels, travel, these are fantastic options. They're easier to handle than you think. You always want to talk to your RV specialist, again, RV and Outdoors, and do a test drive. But I love the Class Cs. We got a bunk over cab right here that, yes, if you do have kids, they're going to be fighting to sleep on. There's a 500-pound max capacity for this one, so easily get 2 people up there. But you're going to see some nice amenities. You got a double cup holders there. That's the ladder to help the kids get up and down. And obviously when in transit, this goes over there so that you can get in and out. But they even have a television, a large screen HD TV on a swivel arm, so that if you want to watch it in the living area, or if you got the kids up here or the other couple up here and they want to watch TV, they absolutely can. They even have their own privacy curtain to close. But you have 84-inch high ceilings. You got a full molded one-piece end cap here. So plenty of comfort, plenty of headroom, and we even have ducted AC, and they have their own skylight up there. As we move our way over to the off-camp side where the living slide is, got a little suspension netting here. This is a great spot for when you're traveling. You want to Bluetooth in to the music or use the speakers. Put your cell phone there. It's got dual USB chargers. Great spot to charge. Comfortable jackknife sofa right there. Got the large bay windows, both with the living room sofa that has its own cup holders there. But look at this Palm Shores decor. Yes, Palm Shores, Buffy. Move over to the dinette, and I'm going to get to the storage in just a minute. But this is what's known as those dream dinettes. There's no legs underneath blocking the space for when everybody's sitting down. We even have charging ports underneath and storage under each seat. But this will reduce down and turn into a sleeper. Don't think you could get 2 adults here. Probably could. I really wouldn't push it. But if, let's say you did 2 there, 2 there, you could easily sleep 4 people here or 4 kids here. But this is a spot to reconnect and enjoy what you've done while out and about. When was the last time you reconnected and just had fun, got out with the family? These are fantastic for that. Solid shaker style cabinets all the way throughout this camper, residential fixtures on them, strut supported, maple glazed, just a beautiful mix of both light and dark interiors. And you have overhead storage in front of the dinette and the sofa, giving you plenty of space. And just take a look at this construction, this wood paneling that we have right here that Thor uses, giving you good quality manufacturing. Solid vinyl roof, got the AC with the quick cool over top of us. This one has a 30,000 BTU furnace and ducted AC. Great insulation. You're going to be okay in this one, whether you're in cold weather or hot weather. Come over to the campsite where the kitchen, we got a large single basin stainless steel sink with that beautiful high-rise faucet and sprayer handle. We even have a pop-up power station that comes out of there with both plugs, GFCI, and USB. Campside, large kitchen for the window, plenty of countertop space. Even have the shelf that comes up right there, giving you a little extra cutting board. The drawers on the inside are solid wood with full extension on the ball bearings, giving you great places to store utensils or just general storage, spices. Underneath, you got space, plus the trash can. You got a flush-mounted 3-burner stove, which I'm a fan of, because when you're moving stuff around, having it flush-mounted and not bouncing up against the burners, that's a great feature to have. Glass cover for the splash top there. LED accent lights on the controls. Oven. And even a deep well storage container underneath. That's a great spot for the pots and pans. And up above, we have the microwave and another little storage unit. That's what I like to call the Kavu storage. If you ever use those Kavu bags for hiking or whatever, that's a good spot for those if you want to just grab and go. Over here on the pantry, you got the little raised lip, so stuff, really won't fall out while in transit. But I'm a big fan of these retractable, deep, solid wood shelves. That's a great spice rack right there. Or if you needed space for fishing gear, Yes, if I were to use this, this would probably be a good spot for tackle box or a good ammo box. You have storage underneath the seats there. Got the wood paneling on the fridge freezer combo, which is both electric and gas with the automatic switch. Plenty of space in there for those long weekends. More storage up top. And once again, that maple glaze on these beautiful shaker style cabinets. Just a great residential feel. Mirrored ward right here. So this is kind of your wardrobe for your master. Just great space to hang the jackets. Once again, good spot for backpacks, hunting gear, fishing gear. You could get some good fishing rods in there too. Probably screw out that pole if you want to do that. More deep well shelves and drawers, but just take a look at the space and the quality of construction that you have inside of these. Got your circuit breaker box right there. Another mirrored ward over here, kind of like a his and hers. You just have to fight over who's going to get the bigger one. I would just say they're both the same. Try to convince my wife they're both the same and lose that battle. So we move into the master bedroom or bathroom, excuse me. Got the little hangers right there. Hangers on the back of the door too. Ceramic bowl with foot flush. Plenty of storage space on this one too. Got the corner mounted single basin stainless steel sink and residential backsplash over there. The little applique. Mirrored corner medicine cabinet. Giving you some great space. And I'm also a fan of the shower. Single surround stand-up shower with the extra large dome skylight. Even without the skylight, I got plenty of headroom. And you got the retractable shower curtain. At first I thought, wait a minute, how'd they get a solid one in there? But that's actually just a shower curtain on a slide. Very nice touch. Corner mounts for shampoos, soaps, residential style applique here on the single surround shower. Got the handle, nozzle, and controls right there. Not cramped at all inside this 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 28 FE. The only thing I'm not a fan of, and Bob, you might have to step back to kind of get this. So I understand you got to save space, but the privacy curtain, hi. I mean, maybe get a replacement one, have that go all the way down to the floor, or get like a hard shell one. I just wasn't a fan of that top half privacy curtain. I understand you're going to do it while, you're going to close it while you're asleep, and, people aren't going to be able to see you while you sleep, but still, just privacy, just my thing. We move into the master bedroom, got a queen size bed on a slide with the headboard. You have tabletop space and mini corner notch space on both sides of the bed here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you got space right in there. And you have power ports on both sides, but on the master side, you got a dual USB port, 12 volt as well. And this is a raised and walk around master bed. I mean, even over here, I'm 6'2", and with these 84-inch high ceilings, I still have plenty of space. And that is a solid vinyl roof, helping with both noise and insulation. TV mounter right there, AC controls right back here, as well as the slide controls. But if this is a Class C that you've been thinking about checking out for the family, I would highly recommend this 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 28 FE, because you got plenty of entertainment space, plenty of sleeping space, and it's just a beautiful residential style travel trailer, or excuse me, residential style motorhome. So we've seen the inside of this camper. What do you say we go take a look at the outside? Okay, everybody, here we are on the outside, the 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 28 FE. This roughly 29-foot Class C motorhome sits on the Ford 450 chassis. You got that 305 horsepower Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine in there, giving you some good power. We come around over here to the campsite, and Bob, if you can get a full shot, look how beautiful the graphics are. You got a one-piece fiberglass molded end cap on the front of this. Got that beautiful, good insulation on the inside, awning with LED light, and the doors are strut supported. They even have the screen door, so if you want to get some of that good air flowing in, you can do that there. Even has a plastic cover for the handles. Solid mounted handle right there. Outside entertainment, so when you want to get the awning out, want to do some entertaining, set the chairs up, you absolutely can. You got the mega storage in there with the rubberized coating. They have LED lights as well. Power ports right here. So if you want to plug in a boom box, you already got a TV, you're good to go. Got your freshwater connection right here. It's the bedroom slide. More of that mega storage right here. And I'm a fan of this finished off storage. For me, if you're gonna do a hunting or fishing type of trip, that's a great spot for, you can probably get a rifle case in there, definitely get some tackle boxes, get some good hunting gear in there. There's your LP Quick Connect. If you want to set up the grill, do some grilling. Got a 4x4 sewer hose storage right there. Solid mounted ladder on the back with the handles that go all the way over the top for additional security. Sealed and tinted safety glass all the way around this unit. They even have the hinges covered so that you're not going to get any of that red rust from the rain and the elements coming down. And your backup camera is right there in the light. Looks like we got our main dump station right here. Gray and black tanks right there. This is your tank flush, 30 amp power plug right here. Furion TV connection, freshwater connection right there. There is your gas tank. We got some more of that mega storage right there. There's our power plug. We just want to throw that in there. Right here on the driver's side is your propane tank. And you got your Onan 4000 generator right there. Exhaust, that thing runs quietly and gives you a lot of great power. But if you are a family looking to get out and about and you want to do some of that traveling, you don't like paying for airfare, you don't like paying for hotels, and you do not have a truck that's big enough to tow a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, a Class C motorized RV is a fantastic option. And these, you need to test drive them because they're not as bad as you think. But leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you think about this 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 28 FE. Did you like the interior? Did you like that Palm Shores decor? What did you not like? I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you again soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you soon.